Shop the Divine Collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be responding to a question from one of my subscribers. Her name is Anne Amaka. She says, please ma, how can one achieve that silk and soft and lumpy free bone straight look? You want to know how you can achieve a silk, soft, lumpy free bone straight hair? Then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Without saying much, let's solve Anne Amaka's problem in this video. If you want to achieve that silk, soft, lump-free, bone straight hair look, the first thing you need to do is you need to ensure that the hair quality of the hair extension is very good quality. You cannot buy Chinese 10A grade hair, 9A grade hair, 7A grade hair and be expecting to achieve that silk bone straight hair look with it. It's not possible because those type of hair extensions have already been over processed. So for that reason, the strands of the hair are so soft that when you straighten it, you will not be able to have it staying bone straight. Even having to straighten those type of hair is going to stress you a whole lot because you will notice that it's difficult for the hair to stay straight for a long time. In about 30 minutes, 1 hour, once breeze blows on the hair, it starts to look wavy again. So the quality of the hair extension in question matters a whole lot. You need to ensure that you're buying good quality hair extension. And what quality of hair extension do I recommend that you buy? If you're not going to buy raw Chinese hair extensions, I recommend that you buy the Vietnamese bone straight hair. The thing about the Vietnamese bone straight hair is that the Vietnamese bone straight hair has been processed to have that sleek, shiny, glossy look that it has. With the Vietnamese bone straight hair, it's easier to keep the Vietnamese bone straight hair or even the Vietnamese natural straight hair straight, unlike when you compare it to the Chinese straight hair, because the Vietnamese bone straight hair has not been overtly processed like the way the Chinese straight hair has been processed. That's the reason why lots of people go and buy Chinese bone straight hair. They come back complaining. Why? Because they notice that the strands of the hair is not able to stay straight for a long period of time, and that's because the strands of the Chinese hair is pretty much softer when you compare it to the strands of the Vietnamese bone straight hair. So the first thing I would like to advise you do is ensure you are investing in getting very good quality hair extension, preferably a Vietnamese bone straight hair. If you need where to buy very good quality Vietnamese bone straight hair, check out ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram, ENL Beauty Hair, or my website www.enlbeautyng.com. The website is going to be launching soon with all of our products and services for you to enjoy. So after you've ensured that you bought very good quality extension, the next thing you need to do is you need to ensure that after you wear your wig for, let's say, about 1 week to 2 weeks, you need to go back in and restyle it. If you have a straight hair, you cannot keep your straight hair bent, or you just dump it on when it's straight somewhere and expect that when you raise it back up, it's going to stay straight. You need to be mindful of how you place your wigs, how you keep it, how you store your wigs, because this is going to greatly affect how the strands of your hair stays straight. So ensure that you store your wigs properly. And then when it comes to styling your Vietnamese bone straight hair, you need to make sure that you invest in getting a heat protector. You need to also invest in getting your argan oil serum or any other hair serum that you prefer to use. And you also need to invest in getting styling tool like your hair straightener. These three things are things that you need when you're styling your bone straight hair. When I have a video on products for styling your your bone straight hair. So I'm going to link that video somewhere up here, so you go and watch that video and know what product you should be using. So how you style your hair is very important, and when styling your hair, always ensure that you're not going in very large sections. Go in small sections and work your way up, and that's the way you're going to be able to get the best styling for your hair extensions. And I think these are the 3 basic ways you could, achieve that very sleek bone straight hair effortlessly. And aside from that, if you've worn your wig for a very long time and you haven't washed it, you've had this wig for, I don't know how long you've had it for, but if you've worn that particular wig consecutively for about 1 month to 2 months, you need to ensure that you wash it. You wash it with a very good quality shampoo and conditioner, air dry it, and then restyle it back to its original state. That's how you ensure that you get the best look out of your hair extensions. Thank you so much for leaving that question in the comment section, Anamaka. I hope I was able to respond to your question in this video. Try out all of what I've said in this video, and I hope that this solves your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Adios.